To create QR code with logo in Canva, on your Canva homepage, come over to more here, come over to apps, and we're going to search the app store here. We're going to search for dynamic QR codes, and we're going to select this first one that came up. Let's click on it, and it will open up and ask us to use it in a new design. So we'll click use in a new design to ask us what would we like to create. From these options here, you want to choose the kind of document you want to work on with this QR code. For me, I'm going to go with the custom size, and I'll change my unit of measurement to inch, and I'll use 8.5 for the width and 11 for the height. This is a US letter measurement, and I will click on create new design. This will open up in the editor, and from here you want to put in the destination you want them to go when you scan your QR code. For me, it's a registration for our community labs, and from here you want to select the templates to work with. You have all those templates to choose from. I would select this template that says scan me, and for me, I'm going to click on add logo. This is the logo I want to use, and you can see the logo is in the center of the QR code right now. And I'm going to click on add to design. You can see it has added my QR code, and I can spread this out to fill out the US paper, and I can just print this out and hand it to people and say scan me or publish it, whatever I want to do with it. But you can see my logo in the very middle.